So guys, so my people, yesterday Friday, yeah? So I don't know. So yesterday Friday. So yesterday when I read with my children school yesterday, look at because yesterday now they do like a PTA meeting, okay? Whereby they discuss about the performance of your children, you know, and all that, how they are doing, okay? So as I go their school yesterday, this is now the picture where they take. Not yesterday they take the picture, but they just share and give parents there. I don't know if una dey see her. So they take this picture together with the students and the teachers. So now yesterday they come share and give us after the meeting. So see greater here. So cute. So teacher, yeah, he's so cute, guys. He's so cute. I don't know that now they see her. He's so cute. Oh my god. Smile. Look at his smile. Oh my god. So cute, guys. I don't know that now they see her. He's so cute. So this one are for Greta. Then why this one are for Ryan? For Ryan. See Ryan here. See Ryan. This is Ryan. So they are teacher. Yeah. So this is that they are classmates. So cute. It's so cute, so beautiful. So I'll go buy frame. I'll put them. Then I'll put them for their room. This is not the two.
Rejoice.
Rejoice, jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. No more jumping on the Once they clean bathroom finish now, okay, I don't sweep everywhere. So I know we'll mop now because my children, they know will let me see road if I dey mop. So I dey always dey mop on Wednesday if they don't go school. Then on Saturday evening they don't sleep. So Greta get cough. So as I don't do that one finish now, so Greta dey here. I don't already lose her hair, so I want go wash her. So I want bath for my wash her. Okay. Please wash her. I want to go wash her hair now. I don't already lose them. I want to go wash her. So guys, I'll see you now later. Keep on washing, guys. Don't go anywhere. Okay, keep on washing. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. So I'll see you now later. So my people, I just the wash her hair finish now. So as I wash them, I can't pack them like this. Can't pack them like this. Now tomorrow I'll do the hair. I'll do the hair tomorrow. Get her, just leave her hair. Tomorrow I'll do the hair after church. So after church tomorrow I'll do the hair. Rejoice. Rejoice is here. Finish now. Oh my god, that fish, it tastes so yummy. Hey. Yes. I overeat. I overeat. Guys, overfeeding they worry me here. Only I told now overfeeding. So guys, we don't eat finish. So we just more relax for balcony small. We get our balcony here where they take see the view. See Greta live there. So now balcony here. Now our freezer there. Look at it. Let me show you guys. Look at our freezer here. Greta live there. Our deep freezer. Our balcony here is there. This now their toy bicycle. We don't put it on top. So guys, we are all here. Hi. So guys, this is now the view of our balcony. The view of our balcony. The view. Very cool Saturday evening. So cool. Now our playground now that place, this place. I don't know the tree cover around. Now there our playground be there, but they work for there. For the past 2 months now they work for there, so we never feel go. If not, as we just finish like this now, we for just stroll go there. So that place for back there. Yeah. So guys, now you we are all here. You the old Look at my baby girl. She's happy. Oh my god, see breeze this evening. Like the breeze is so cool, man. The breeze is so cool. So cool. I want to go shower. So my shower Rejoice and Ryan. Greta had already shower. Okay, just me, Rejoice, and Ryan. So I'm gonna go shower. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, like this video, comment, okay, and subscribe. Yeah. So guys, I'll tune in again for my next one. Bye. Bye.